Okay, so there are a few reasons why she is doing what she's doing in this video. The main reason is when you go to grab the leash, you probably don't even realize you're doing it, but you're actually adding some leash pressure to it, so it's staying tight instead of loose. So the next time, grab it further away from her first, then make sure it's loose as you're trying to clip it. But what you do at the end after you spray the Stop That spray is perfect. That's actually what I want you to do in the beginning. So your treat placement is going to be above her head. So she's looking up towards your hand while you're able to clip with the other one. Or you can use two people. The other thing you can do, because she's getting frustrated for a couple of different reasons. One, she's feeling the leash pressure from you grabbing the leash, but also there's a lot of talking going on. You're communicating with her often versus kind of using your body to do the same thing. So I want you to speak less with her. And when you ask her for like a sit or a down, you need to mark and reward the second she sits or the second that she lays down, because otherwise she gets frustrated quickly and biting the leash becomes kind of a diffusion of her energy in a way. So that's kind of what she's targeting to. It's also because we correct her for biting you, so now she's biting objects. Here she marks, so you should have marked yes for the sit and then a yes and a treat for the down. So that's when she gets frustrated and she grabs the leash. I'm also going to suggest you put some vinegar on her leash. Make it kind of tart if she goes to bite it, where she normally bites it. So a couple, maybe like 5 inches below where it clips. Okay, so here it lags a little bit. Sorry.
Good.
Okay, so when you sprayed the thing, which I don't know if you've done it yet. I think it's coming. So all this, I would have actually just kept your hands to you until you see she's calmed down. Use your elbows to push her back. Now here, I think is when you spray the thing. She responds very fast to that. So I would have marked and rewarded her a little quicker than you did. I would have marked and rewarded right here.
Good.
And fed a few treats. Like, yes, good job. Like, really target and jackpot the moment she finally calmed down and she responded to the spray. Now, what you are about to do is exactly what I want you to do in the beginning. So, obviously do that. That rewards her for being calm. But the treat placement you're about to do is perfect for being able to do the leash. This, that. So that's where you want to feed her when you're trying to clip the leash, so that she's focused looking up versus trying to grab at what you're doing. So basically practice doing this one hand. Or the other things you can do is smear like the coconut oil or the pumpkin on top of your chair. So underneath the seat where she has to look up to look at it, or even on the legs of it, so that she's focused on that so that you can work with the harness and the leash. And then I'll send you the videos too.